Quiet luxury, as the name suggests, is all about understated wealth and class. And in the world of fashion, you can call it minimalism or capsule wardrobe dressing. Because instead of screaming opulence, this trend whispers it. And by now, I'm sure you know this isn't about the splashy logos or the telltale signs of opulence. It's the understated elegance that speaks volumes. You get to enter the realm of quiet luxury, where the focus isn't on brand flaunting, but on the story and craftsmanship behind each piece. Such choices effortlessly convey the elusive old money aura, making a presence without making noise. So, in this video, I will show you some thoughtful ways to add such understated elegance to your everyday wardrobe, and how best to accessorize it and let your personal style shine through. In the end, you will know how to pair the unexpected with the expected and make your outfit unique and also allow you to feel authentic too. So let's jump right into the video. Don't be afraid to style things in unexpected ways. For example, scarves and wraps can be worn multiple ways. For a dressier affair, consider investing in a couple of multi-purpose scarves that can be worn around your head, fastened at the neck, or casually wrapped around your wrist, and nail a quiet luxury look effortlessly and prepare for the compliments to come rolling in. For an outfit that looks like you tried without trying at all, an effortlessly wrapped scarf is all it takes to set you apart from the crowd. You don't need to have a bad hair day to wear a headscarf because it amplifies an already great outfit. Wearing a slim scarf highlights your features without dominating the whole outfit. Neutral colors are a cornerstone of quiet luxury. So, opting for timeless hues such as camel, ivory, navy, or black allows for easy mixing and matching of pieces while maintaining a sophisticated aesthetic. But your neutral outfit certainly doesn't have to be boring. Therefore, I recommend you put together a mind-blowing combination of statement shoes in a neutral outfit. So, slip into status staple shoes by looking for rich colors and textures. White sneakers are also one of the best investments you can make in your closet. Because it's white, it will match with literally everything in your wardrobe, even if you opt for an all-white ensemble. By nature of it being a sneaker, comfort is already sorted out and doesn't need a second thought. For instance, pairing a white sneakers with a knit and midi skirt is the perfect balance of casual and poised. Maybe I should remind you that rule number one when trying to nail a quiet luxury look is that you must always look comfortable. And the key to embodying this moneyed minimalism is opting for basic wardrobe staples that would add a quiet luxe feel to your closet. For example, a classic white button-down shirt paired with tailored trousers can effortlessly create a sophisticated and refined look. Also, silk, cashmere, and fine cotton are excellent choices when building a timeless wardrobe. You should also consider shopping for linen. There's a reason linen is the poster child for this particular aesthetic. It's elegant, timeless, and with the right design it can look dressy. But, before I forget, one thing you really need to keep in mind is that layering is your secret weapon. That's because layering adds depth and texture to your outfit. I love layering because it allows me to adapt my style to different seasons and occasions. Like for instance, you can pair a luxurious knit sweater with a tail-reed blazer and nail the look. Remember, a quiet luxe look is all about the rich knits. A blazer, on the other hand, is a timeless piece that shouldn't miss in your closet. It has escaped its boardroom confines to become a true closet staple, more polished than the cardigan and a lighter layer than the trench coat. It is the answer to any outfit quandary. There are no limits to how you can style a blazer. From the single-breasted style to the muted aqua shade to the slightly oversized but not baggy, it is so versatile. So, what's stopping you from untapping the power of a great blazer? Also, the opportunities for a good outfit centered around a leather jacket are infinite. There are fresh and interesting ways to look fashion-forward and stylish in leather. This includes the leather trench. This look is beyond chic. I mean, why not sidestep the uncertainty with a leather trench? A piece that treads the line between professional and casual. And when it's time for a big night out, don't leave your trench at home. Wear it as a dress with sparkly stilettos and statement jewelry to help sell the trench as a glamorous gown. When in doubt, do this instead. First, opt for neutral hues like black, navy, white, and beige, and pair them all together into a monochrome look, and you're good to go because they will scream minimalism. You can't go wrong with a monochrome look, so when in doubt, stay in the same colors when building an outfit. Secondly, wear trousers or dress pants, because they give off an element of sophistication without compromising style in the process. To put it plainly, well-fitting pants look a million times more expensive and put together than a pair of sweatpants or leggings. While you can find tailored pants from just about anywhere, picking an option made with high-quality fabrics is the way to go here. Thirdly, logo is a no-go when it comes to purses. If you want to nail down the quiet luxury look, I recommend splurging on an investment bag, but steer clear of gaudy options with loud insignias and logos. Pick a few bags that you can rely on for polished, pared-down pieces that will stand the test of time, like a simple leather bag. Fourthly, speaking of a good pair of jeans, denim is a non-negotiable in an expensive-looking wardrobe. As a rule of thumb, the darker the wash, the more sleek your denim looks. It's also important to keep the material and silhouette in mind. Select for rigid fits that maintain their shape after each wear and sweet spot styles, such as straight jeans, since they're neither too baggy nor too constricting. Fifthly, always remember, sunglasses are always a power move. While quiet luxury is characterized by understated elegance, carefully selected accessories can add a touch of personality and individuality to your outfits. Fortunately, quiet luxury doesn't work without loud jewelry. For example, a high-quality leather handbag or a delicate gold necklace can make a subtle statement and elevate your overall look. I strongly recommend you play around with different accessories to discover unique and contemporary accessories that perfectly complement your signature style. As always, I focus on offering real-life style and not red carpet style or runway style. Each piece that I recommend trying is a win on its own and can be worn alone, but together, it's absolute perfection. The beauty of coordinated sets is that they're designed to be worn together and separately, giving you at least 3 outfits right off the bat. So that means that with a few matching sets in your closet, you can throw together effortless yet incredibly put together outfits at a moment's notice. And here is where this channel comes in. I will help you figure it all out. So be sure to support me by subscribing for more styling tips videos.